Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome to my channel. This is an introduction video. Here we will be learning about how to develop web apps using Oracle database. This tutorial is dedicated to beginners and students who want to learn web application, and they want to start the career in web application development. So that's the motto or purpose to create the channel, that it should be easy for them to create a web app with limited amount of knowledge. At least they can start with the development. Later on they can keep on learning with the other things, other languages, and they could enhance their knowledge, skill, or the project what they want to start to work on. All right, so what the aim or plan of learning will be? We will be learning here SQL, PLSQL, Oracle Apex. Basically these three things we will be learning about. Additionally, you will be learning about JavaScript, HTML5, and then CSS3. Okay, so in JavaScript later on maybe we could learn about React.js. Okay, and using React.js you can develop your own web application in Oracle Jet. So we could learn about these things later on. Initially we will focus about SQL and PLSQL and Oracle Apex. As we all know that SQL stands for structured query language and PLSQL stands for procedural language, extension of structured query language. And Oracle Apex is a framework which will give us environment to develop the application. All right, to develop the front end of the application, you can say. So this is what we will be focusing in our initial stage. All right, so first of all we will be learning about SQL, then we will be learning about PLSQL, then we will be learning about Oracle Apex. And after completing application development using these three skills, we will be learning about JavaScript and HTML5 and CSS3. Okay, so actually, yeah, this is what I want to say before starting my tutorial. So yeah, that's it. Just be with me. A lot of things are will be coming on the way, and you will learn a lot of things about SQL and PLSQL. Because SQL you just know about, you can create the database and all, but how can you develop application and how you will use that table or data in your application? Okay, all these things we will be learning in this tutorial series of videos. All right, so just be with me. For any confusion, any doubt, any suggestion, most welcome. Please write it in comment box and let me know whatever is going in your mind. And yeah, that's it. That's was the thing I wanted to say. And just learn these things and start your career as web application developer. And let me know how beneficial these series are or tutorial are for you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. That's it for today. Thank you so much.